Your business website is your own piece of digital real estate. And like any piece of real estate, there's always a little project or two that you can do to make it better. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. It's your website home improvement tip from Super Web Pros. Today's website home improvement tip is to use compelling images to support your written content. So we've talked before about how websites are not novels. You can't just have big giant blocks of text. It's hard to read and it turns people off and it keeps them from utilizing your website to their best advantage. So one of the great ways to really break up a page and make it easy for people to digest is to use compelling images. An image is worth 1,000 words, so make sure you're finding really effective images to pull out the meaning and the essence of what you're writing about. If you can have original content, if you've got somebody who's taking photos and you've got really great photos, that's fantastic. If you need to use stock photos, that's okay too. Just make sure that you're making the image your own. Try adding filters or possibly some other elements like logos to make everything pop and to really sell what you're trying to get across through your content. But any way you slice it, you're gonna need really great images to kind of give depth and meaning to the text that you're trying to get across. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and our blog for more useful tips. And if you're interested in making your small business website the best it can possibly be, come visit us at superwebpros.com.